the for example, the states and their country capitals, different countries in the in a particular continent. So all these kinds of things, right? The smallest one, largest one. So these are the different things you can always consider. So we are going to look into very first, which is really important and for which you are striving, you are trying. That is to know our defense system. That is called armed forces, Indian armed forces. So that would be the very first thing you can consider. Now, at this moment, knowing better your armed systems would definitely help you out to clarify your area of interest, because ultimately you are going to be officer in either of these three armed forces, but in which force you have to enter, that you have to decide. No doubt some one of you already might have decided, but still few would be there who haven't decided it, their preference, whether they wanted to go with the army, they wanted to go with air force, or with the navy. So to figure out and to know at this level, right, I'm not going to tell you everything or all the details, but as much as required. So that is, I'm going to tell you. Okay, so let's start with this. So the first point, or the first topic you do have is Indian Armed Forces. Right. Indian Armed Forces. Now, just by seeing these three words, what sort of ideas comes to an individual's mind? Any one of, right? So someone, if I say Aditya or Ayush or Aniket, what do you feel? Right. Whenever or
Sir, proud.
okay, that's very honest and most expected answer. But apart from that, my question is that after the apart from the feelings, what comes in front of you whenever you see these three words? Right. So in someone might be seeing three different colors. As such, here you can see three different colors. Someone will be
which include the arms and ammunitions, etc.
exactly right. So these are some of the academic or bookish definitions we can go through, or we need to look into, right? Apart from this, what else someone can imagine, right? Is it only what we heard right now? So in my opinion, no, right?
Symbol of
Because
courage and discipline.
yes, exactly, it is very important. But then again, there is a question that is it only required in this particular sector? Answer is no. Right. Whenever now see, as I said, as an aspirant, you need to have these two things with you. Right? Then and then, if you could have these two factors, right, which are in general called personality traits, right? Discipline. So at this moment, right now, if you could inculcate these two things, then definitely you will be in either of these three. Right. So my imagination was that whenever we hear these three words, then different kinds of imaginations would be coming in front of an individual. So some of them could be like this, right? So it's a collection, right? Or it's a group of three forces, right? So here you can consider very first one, second one, and third one, right? So as such, first, second, third. That doesn't mean that you always would start from here. For someone it would be first, it would be second, it would be third. For someone it would be first, it would be second, it would be third, right? So in these preferences, or in this kind of uh, say ranking, I'm not at all interested. It is the choice of an individual, right? He would decide, right, which one would be the first for him. But ultimately it is group of these three. And see, this is being associated by this one, this is associated by this one, and this is associated by this one, right? So, and every one of these three is containing these, both, not only this one but also this one, right? And now all these three are forming this particular middle, right? So ultimately, what is a country? Fine. No doubt, obviously it is apart from these three, right? But to safeguard its land, its coastal, right? Its let's say aerial route, what requires? So it requires all these three different factors, right? Which we are calling as Indian Armed Forces. Right? So this could be the first imagination someone could think. Someone could think like this, right? So can you identify what these pictures are? Someone? First one?
Sir,
Navy,
pilot.
Navy, okay. Second one?
Army, Air Force.
Army and Air Force. Good. Right. Okay, something else. So this is what you must have come across by seeing the color of their uniform, and it is true. But is there any other point of view which you can see here, or what something else you can see here?
All are in different fields, but their work are same for a country. They all are saluting towards the upper post or etc.
That is fine, right? Okay, something else.
Sir, these forces are supporting Ireland.
Exactly, right? Not only land but also coastal as well as the aerial route.
Aerial group, yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, something else. Can you see something here? Can you see something here? Can you see something here?
They are women, sir.
Sorry, come again.
So they are women.
Okay, women. That's true. Still, I'm expecting something else. Is there anyone who could not understand Marathi? And second question is that shall I use Marathi?
Yes.
Yes.
हा सर मराठीमध्येच बोला.
हा सर मराठीत बोला.
Okay, okay. Fine. काय कलर ह्या स्त्रिया आहेत याच्या व्यतिरिक्त अजून दुसरं काही दिसतं? डोंट से की त्या सल्यूट करतायत. राईट, इट इज ऑब्विसली. काय काय?
Flag. Tricolor.
Okay, flag. But can you call it as a Indian flag, or is only it is a representation of a tricolor? Because as
Tricolor.
such, yes, because as such, this is not our flag.
येस सर.
Because the dimensions of our flag are not like this. असा आहे का आपला ध्वज? अजिबात नाही. इकडे सॅफ्रॉन आहे, इकडे ग्रीन आहे आणि मिडल व्हाईट आहे. इथे मात्र व्हर्टिकल आहे आणि इन ओरिजिनली तो हॉरिझॉन्टल आहे. बरोबर? सो दीज थ्री थिंग्स यू कॅन कन्सिडर. तरी ओरिजिनल क्वेश्चन तसाच आहे की by these faces what you can see, you can see similarity in the color of all these faces. जे नाही आपल्याकडे, right? We have so much diversity, right? कोण कसा दिसतो doesn't matter. rather कोण कशी दिसते doesn't matter, right? I'm talking about this particular slide, right? Obviously in someone's in life कोण कशी दिसते याला महत्व असू शकतं. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन, राईट. पण ठीक आहे, तो वेगळा भाग झाला. इथे काय विचारतोय, थ्रू द पॉइंट ऑफ व्ह्यू ऑफ कंट्री, कोण कसं दिसेल डझंट मॅटर. सगळे ऑल दीज आर सपोर्टर्स, राईट. ऑल दीज
दर्शन ऑफ युअर माइक. दर्शन.
सॉरी,
तर त्याचा माईक चालू होता, त्याला बंद करायला सांगितलं.
okay, yes, fine. So all these are working towards tricolor, right? Irrespective of their race, their caste, right? Their religion, their geographical belonging, right? Their state, right? Their background. So all are working towards a unique goal. Fine. And that is what the beauty of all these three pictures. Right? Though you can see here different colors, इथं वेगळा color आहे, इथं वेगळा color आहे, इथं वेगळा color आहे, but you can see their faces are same. म्हणजेच काय, त्यांचे उद्दिष्ट सेम आहेत. नो डाऊट काम करण्याची पद्धत एकमेकांपासून वेगळी असेल, पण एकमेकाला पूरक असेल, एकमेकाला सपोर्ट करणारी असेल, एकमेकाला बरोबर घेऊन जाणारी असेल. बरोबर? सो हे दिस इज व्हॉट आय वॉज एक्सपेक्टिंग. बऱ्याच गोष्टी असतात, दिसत नाहीत पण असतात आणि त्यांना महत्व असतं. Likewise, this particular question was okay. Something else you can imagine, not as such from this particular slide, पण हे बघून आणखीन काही आठवतं किंवा एखादी गोष्ट समोर येऊ शकते का? यायला पाहिजे. What it should be, it is this one, right? So now you can see these three pictures and you can feel proud, right? You can see three beautiful ladies serving in three different forces, right? Having been at very acquired good ranks, right? And working in their different fields, right? And these are in reality, right? Some other day I will come to you taking some such personalities who are really important as far as our armed forces are concerned, right? Particularly in this particular sector, that is sector of women, right? So how important women in our armed forces right? So you should not forget these things which are really important. हे झालं whenever we imagine इंडियन आर्म फोर्सेस की हे 3 शब्द समोर आल्यानंतर आपल्याला सगळ्यात पहिले काय जाणवतं, काय आठवतं, काय आपण कल्पना करतो किंवा आपण कुठल्या गोष्टीकडे लक्ष दिलं पाहिजे, तर हे त्याच्यातले काही विविध पैलू असू शकतात ज्याच्याकडे निश्चितपणानं आपलं लक्ष असलं पाहिजे, राईट? सो whenever you see like these, so here forget about their appearance. You can take from this particular slide, that is nothing but their physical, right? So the fitness, how much physically fit they are, right? So this is the factor you can take away, or this is the conclusion of this slide, which is really important, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just हो मध्ये मध्ये हे होत आहे, एक मिनिट, एनेबल अनोटेशन फाईन. हा, आणि what I should do now, erase what I should do. Okay, okay. हाँ ठीक है. So ना हाँ, okay. Chat. Okay. चार्ट नाही दिसत आहे सच. सिम्बॉल स्क्रीनवर तर नाही दिसत आहे. तर वरतीच मोर मध्ये चार्ट मध्ये गेल्यानंतर यायला पाहिजे. हो, क्लिक केलं तर नाही येत आहे. 3 डॉट्स मध्येच ना. ठीक आहे, चार्ट, रिएक्शन्स, रेकॉर्ड. Okay. Got it. No, but it is only list, participants list. Okay. Yeah, I got it now. Yes. Oh, okay. ठीक. Okay. Okay, students. Sorry for discontinuity. Anyway, I was see someone. Yeah, some of you have answered in the chat. Yes, there are some suggestions. Please keep your mic off or mute. Someone said uniforms are different. Yes, so these are the different things you can consider from this one, right? Okay, let me know. Am I audible? And can you?
Yes, sir. You're audible.
Okay,
Yes,
and you
sir.
can you can see the screen shared, right? So currently,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay, fine. So I was talking about physical fitness as well. So you should always keep in mind the physical fitness, right? And in these days, in this pandemic, again, the psychological fitness is also important, right? मानसिकरित्या आपण अतिशय स्ट्रॉंग असणे गरजेचं झालंय, पर्टिक्युलरली ह्या 1-1.5 वर्षाच्या काळामध्ये, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पॅन्डेमिक. सगळीकडे अवतीभोवती सगळीकडे काही निगेटिव्ह दिसतं. टीव्ही लावली, निगेटिव्ह बातम्या दाखवतात, राईट? किंवा पेपर आला, त्याच्यातही तसंच मिळेल. So choice is of yours where to concentrate, and that is very important, right? So always concentrate which will strengthen you, जे तुम्हाला स्ट्रॉंग बनवेल. फाईन. एनिवे, नाव so very first armed force or one of the armed forces. So we will start, right? So as I said, for me it is not like number one is army or number two is air force or for number three is navy. No, but to start somewhere, right? Preferentially, we have to consider uh, only one, either or these three. So I'm just going with the Indian Army, right? So Indian Army, the first one. Okay. Now, again, you can see here different things. And see here, every time there is not only to see, but also to think, to look into the details which are not visible. मग हे कुठून येतात? तर how much you know about it. Already तुम्हाला त्याच्यातलं किती माहिती आहे? That will help you to know these things. फॉर एक्झाम्पल इथं क्वेश्चन येऊ शकतो की हा कुठला फोटो असेल, हे मागचं काय आहे, व्हॉट इज दिस वन, व्हॉट इज दिस वन, व्हॉट एक्झॅक्टली दिस वन, हे तर आपल्याला सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे, राईट. जे दिलंय ते आपण वाचू, जे लिहिलंय ते आपण वाचू शकतो. फाईन. असे अनेक क्वेश्चन्स असतात आणि मग हळूहळू एका 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 प्रश्नाचं उत्तर आपण जेव्हा घेत असतो त्यावेळेला असं काहीतरी एक भव्य दिव्य बनतं आणि ते आपल्याला पाहिजे असतं. फाईन. सो the very first one, Indian Army. मग हे काय आहे? That we have to see, right? So what it is, it's a land-based branch of armed forces, which is largest component of Indian armed forces. Right? Two things, land-based, कारण आता आपण इंडिव्हिज्युअली बघतोय. So army is a land-based, right? Second thing is, this is the feature. It is the largest component of what? Of Indian armed forces. Right. So whatever the three forces we do have, in these three forces, army is the largest component, and it is looking to the safeguard of land. Right. So Bharat Matecha रक्षणाची जबाबदारी we can consider mostly on this particular armed force, right? So the first point. Second one, it is largest standing volunteer army. Why it is called standing and volunteer? Why these two words are there? Right. And then obviously I will be going to active personnel, reserve personnel. Right. So what do you understand from volunteer? Right. Forget about largest standing. म्हणजे आता अस्तित्वात असलेली सगळ्यात मोठी, राईट, सगळ्यात मोठी अमंग दीज थ्री. पण वाय दिस वर्ड इज व्हॉलंटियर? का? कारण आपल्याकडे अजूनही कंपल्सरी नाहीये की एका घरातून एकानं आयदर ऑफ दीज थ्री फोर्सेस जॉईन केलेच पाहिजेत, असं आहे का? नाही. राईट. स्टील इट इज व्हॉलंटियर. मला वाटलं मी जाऊ शकतो, समवन फील जाऊ शकतो, एखाद्याला वाटलं नाही जायचं, राहिलं. Compulsion is not there, right? It's a volunteer, right? Fine. So largest standing volunteer army. What is active personnel and reserve personnel? So whatever you can see, the different let's say battalions. I hope you must have heard these words. If not, probably in one of the next lectures, you will be coming across these words: battalion, the section, platoon, battalions, right? Regiments, divisions, brigade, divisions, and ultimately it forms army. Right? So who are comprising these? So there are active people, soldiers, officers. Apart from that, you must have heard about Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force, Border Security Force, right? Home Guards. Fine. As such, Home Guards would not be the part of Indian Armed Forces, But there are again some things, for example, CISF, SRPF, CRPF. So all these things you are going to consider, right, in let's say in one of the next sessions. So here you can consider active and reserve. So reserve is now those who are in the PSF, right? So they are having their numbers. So around say 13 lakh, you will be having active personnel, and around 10 lakh, you will be having reserve personnel. So altogether, more than 21 lakhs personnel are there who are comprising a army, right? So that is what you can always consider, right? So this is the important fact, right? Next one. Inherited most of the infrastructure of the British Indian Army. आता हे असणारच आपलं ओरिजिन जर आपलं आय मीन आर्मी तिचं जर ओरिजिनच ब्रिटिश आर्मीचा असेल, दॅट वॉज कॉल्ड इंडियन ब्रिटिश रॉयल फोर्स, तर आपण हे यूज करणारच आहे किंवा आपल्याकडे ते असेलच, राईट? सो इनहेरिटेड मीन्स व्हॉट, आपण म्हणूया की वारसा भेटलाय किंवा वडिलोपार्जित आहे, कारण की ऍज सच असं नाही की आपल्याकडे नव्हतं. अगदीच आपण अगदी पूर्वीच्या काळी तुम्ही एन्शियंट हिस्ट्रीमध्ये गेला तर तुम्हाला याची सगळी ह्या ऑर्गनायझेशनचे सगळं स्ट्रक्चर सापडेल चंद्रगुप्ताच्या काळामध्ये, राईट? अर्थशास्त्र, हु वॉज द काउन्सिलर, राईट, ऑफ चंद्रगुप्त, कॉल्ड चाणक्य, हु हॅड रिटन अर्थशास्त्र. ठीक आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये पण ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टींचा उल्लेख आपल्याला दिसतो. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर आज आपण पाहतो that is basically belonging to British Indian Army. I'm not saying British Army, I'm saying British Indian Army, right? कारण आपल्यावर ज्या वेळेला त्यांचं राज्य होतं त्यावेळेला जी काही सेना उभारली, दॅट वॉज कॉल्ड ब्रिटिश इंडियन आर्मी, राईट? तसं नेव्ही पण होती, तसंच एअरफोर्स पण होतं, राईट? सो आज मात्र आपण बऱ्याचशा गोष्टी वारसा आणि हक्कानी म्हणा किंवा वडिलोपार्जित म्हणा, आपल्याकडे बरंचसं जे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर आहे ते याच पद्धतीने, राईट? आणि जे चांगलं आहे त्याला चांगलं म्हणायला ते घ्यायला काय हरकत नाही. त्यामुळे हे नाव इथं आहे म्हणून आपण वी शुड नॉट थिंक इन डिफरंट वे, राईट? सो दॅट वॉज द रियालिटी, दो इट इज नाव हिस्ट्री. Yes, this is important. In fact, every armed force is being headed by its chief. So as far as chief of army is called chief of army staff, as like chief of air force staff, chief of navy staff, right? So respectively these would be the heads of the air force, navy and air force as well, right? It is always headed by chief of army staff. So at this moment I'm just putting in front of you a question: who is the chief of army staff, right? Shortly we will be coming back to that particular point. And another point, so Army Day is celebrated on 15th of January every year. So most of you, I assume that most of you know this particular point, last one. But my question here is, why it is being celebrated on 15th of January? राईट? हा तर काय आपला प्रजासत्ताक दिवस नाही की स्वातंत्र्य दिवस नाही, राईट? Then what is the reason why the Army Day is being celebrated on 15th of January every year, right? So important question, you should think on it, right? Have you got the answer of this one, someone? or already you know answer of this particular question?
Sir, I think it may be the birthday of Subhash Chandra Bose.
Sorry, I could not hear you last 3-4 words, but it is birthday of
Subhash Chandra Bose.
that is a coincidence only, right? Though it is true on the 15th of January, uh, Subhash Chandra Bose born.
Because he has only founded
No,
the
your
army.
yes, at this level, your logic is correct, but unfortunately, it is not true. Okay, someone else?
Sir, I can tell.
Yeah.
Sir, on this day, 15 January, the India received its first general, KM Kariappa. So it is celebrated on 15 January.
Okay, that's fine, right? Rather, this is the exact answer, right? So, uh, everyone try to know it, and here comes your answer, right? So the Army Day is celebrated on every on 15th January of every year. Right? It is in the recognition right? It is in, yeah, it is in 1949. Good, right? Okay. So from General Francis Patcher, right? So Sir Francis, General Sir Francis was the last commander in chief of British Indian Army, right? So who was the last commander in chief of India? And on 15th of January 1949, this taking over ceremony was carried out, and from that day onwards, it was decided to celebrate that day as Army Day. And that is the reason why every year we are celebrating the 15th of January as Army Day, right? So this is the reason. म्हणजे पहिली तर ब्रिटिश इंडियन आर्मी होती, आता कुठे ती इंडियन आर्मी झाली, ठीक आहे. मग इंडियन आर्मी जशी झाली, भारताला जसं स्वातंत्र्य भेटलं, तसं जर तसं तिचा पंतप्रधान बदलला, तिची सगळी कार्यकारिणीची शैली बदलत असेल, तर ह्याचं पण या आर्म फोर्सेसच्या पण बाबतीत सगळ्या गोष्टी बदलायला पाहिजेत, राईट? सो भारतीयांसाठी चालणाऱ्या सगळ्या गोष्टी ह्या भारतीयांच्या हातात पाहिजेत, राईट? दॅट इज व्हॉट द थिंकिंग, राईट? आणि त्याच पद्धतीनं here you can see the handing over all the charges to an Indian as a commander in chief of the Indian Army, and that was KM Kariappa, right? So this personality, KM Kariappa, is itself is a different story. So again, in one of the next sessions, you can see a lot about this personality, right? So you will be seeing everything about this, right? That is what KM Kariappa. Fine. Identify who are there in this picture, right? Even I'm not able
Sir.
to identify 2-3. That is why I'm able to identify 4 faces in this one, but I'm greatly interested only 2. So which 2 which we are interested? So these 2 who have wore uniform. Yes, exactly. So KM Kariappa, this is KM Kariappa. Everyone convinced, right? Keep in
Yes,
mind, this
sir.
is the KM Kariappa, and this is what you can
Sir
consider
Francis
General,
But-
yes, Sir
Butler.
Francis, right? General Sir Francis. Got it? So what they are doing? Anyway, who is this one? Have you seen this particular face somewhere? Okay, what we do celebrate on 5th of September every year?
Sir, teachers.
Teachers Day.
Teachers Day.
Uh, to
Teacher
commemorate,
Radhakrishnan Sarvapalli.
yes,
Sarvapalli
to commemorate,
Dr.
exactly,
Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan.
right. So this is our first president. So Sir Butcher, Sir Francis Butcher's last dinner with the Indian president, right, and Lieutenant General Cariappa. Got it? So this is the picture which was clicked when he was having the last dinner, right, by the Indian president, right? Why Indian president? Why not prime minister?
Sir, the president is the head of all armed forces.
Yes, right. So the supremo of Indian armed forces is president of India, right? And through that particular point of view, it is his responsibility, right? It is the protocol, right, to welcome, to honor these personalities, right? And that is what you can consider, right? Okay, next one. For what the army is, right, what it is doing, that is also important. So next point is the primary mission of our army is to ensure national security and national unity. बरोबर आहे, असायला पाहिजे, right? So whatever our borders are there, so these borders should be safeguarded, right? That is what national security. असं नाहीये की फक्त security करा. Sometimes it has to look into, right, म्हणजे within the country. That is what, for the purpose of unity. In fact, keeping unity, peace and unity is the prime motto of Indian police services, right? Not only IPS, मग ते महाराष्ट्र पोलीस असेल, कर्नाटक पोलीस असेल, UP पोलीस असेल, आंध्र प्रदेश पोलीस असेल, या सगळ्यांचं काम आहे ते, right? Internal peace, keeping internal peace and unity. पण कधी कधी you need to deploy army as well, आपल्याला करावे लागते, right? For example, 2008 मध्ये जो दहशतवादी हल्ला झाला मुंबईमध्ये, राईट, जे हॉटेल ट्रायडंट असेल, हॉटेल ताज असेल, तिथे आपण बघितलं. सो वी हॅव कॉल्ड स्पेशल फोर्सेस, बरोबर? सो दॅट इज व्हॉट दिस पर्टिक्युलर पॉइंट, राईट. सेकंड वन इज टू डिफेंड द नेशन फ्रॉम एक्सटर्नल अग्रेशन अँड इंटरनल थ्रेट्स. असू शकतात, बाह्य आक्रमण असू शकतात, बाह्य आक्रमण ही काय प्रत्येक वेळेला बॉर्डरवरच असतील असं नाही. पुन्हा तेच एक्झाम्पल जे मुंबईमध्ये झालं, राईट, किंवा आणखी इंटरनल थ्रेट्स असू शकतात, काही दंगा होणार आहे किंवा काही बाकीच्या गोष्टी असेल. फॉर एक्झाम्पल से इंदिरा गांधी assassination, right? So whatever she had done at Golden Temple, that was not digested by some group of people, and as a result of that, or rather they defend that assassination because of that particular decision. ठीक आहे, म्हणजे काय, that was the internal threat, right? So looking to these things is again the prime mission of our army. And one more point is to maintain peace and security within its borders. ठीक आहे, म्हणजे ज्या काही आपल्या सीमा आहेत त्याच्या आत, इव्हन त्याच्या वर, राईट, मेंटेनिंग पीस आणि सेक्युरिटी. फक्त शांतताच नाही तर त्याची सेक्युरिटी करणं, त्याची सुरक्षा करणं ही दोन कामं एकत्र आहेत. Right. So these are the primary missions of Indian Army, which are really important. Sometimes it can be asked by government of India or any of the state government to cope with internal threats. Right. So हे पण असू शकतं, no doubt. Then apart from this, is there anything else? Right. So here you can have one more point. So it conducts humanitarian rescue operations. म्हणजे आम्ही फक्त एवढंच करते असं नाहीये. आणि मी आता फक्त आम्ही बद्दल बोलतोय, राईट. सो दॅट डझंट मीन की हे याच्यातलं कुठलंही काम नेव्ही किंवा एअरफोर्स करत नाही. नो, I will be coming to that particular forces as well, right? There you will be finding out some changes, but some would be the common, and असायला पाहिजे, right? एक देशाची सुरक्षा आणि देशाचे आर्म फोर्सेस म्हणून काही गोष्टी कॉमन असतील, काही गोष्टी वेगवेगळ्या असतील, कारण त्यांची मोडस ऑपरंटी वेगळी आहे, त्यांचं वर्किंग स्टाईल वेगळं आहे, राईट. मेकॅनिझम ऑफ एक्झिक्युशन वेगळं आहे, फाईन. सो या थर्ड पॉइंट, इट कंडक्ट्स ह्युमॅनिटेरियन रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन्स. म्हणजे काय मग? ड्युरिंग नॅचरल कॅलॅमिटीज असू शकतं, राईट. म्हणजे काय, पुराची परिस्थिती निर्माण झाली. मागच्या वर्षी आपल्याकडे पूर परिस्थिती निर्माण झाली सातारा, सांगली या भागामध्ये, राईट. तर आपण बघितलं व्हॉट्सअपच्या जमान्यामध्ये किंवा व्हॉट्सअप इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये, व्हॉट्सअप युनिव्हर्सिटीमध्ये आपण ते एक बाई एका काय म्हणता आपला जो सोल्जर आहे, सैनिक आहे, राईट, त्याच्या पायाला हात लावत होती आणि थँक्यू म्हणते, राईट, आभार व्यक्त करते की या पुरातून, जीवघेणा प्रकार होता तो, या जीवघेणा पुरातून बाबा या सैन्याने त्या सगळ्यांना सही सलामत बाहेर काढलेलं, हे आपण सगळ्यांनी बघितलेलं. पण अशा काही गोष्टी आहेत, फॉर एक्झाम्पल 2013 मध्ये, राईट, उत्तराखंड मध्ये प्रचंड मोठ्या प्रमाणामध्ये महापूर आलेला. इट वॉज ह्यूज, टेरिबल, nobody can imagine, and within a no time. अजून काही गोष्टी असतात, सम अदर डिस्टर्बन्सेस, ज्याच्यामध्ये आर्मी हॅज टू कंडक्ट सम ह्युमॅनिटेरियन रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन्स. ठीक आहे. आणखीन एक पॉइंट सांगू शकतो इथे, टू पार्टिसिपेट इन युनायटेड नेशन्स शांती सेना ऍज ए शांती दूत, त्यामध्ये पण आपण our army is giving its services, right? So other disturbances. So what you can visualize in the humanitarian rescue operations. So there had been one operation called Operation Surya Hope. Fine. So this was the operation which was conducted to rescue the people in the flood situations or the floods at Uttarakhand in 2013, right? So that is called Operation Surya Hope. So what was the cause of that particular floods? So here you can see, at a time प्रचंड पाऊस पडतोय, at a time बर्फ कोसळतोय, राईट. म्हणजे बर्फ भूस्खलन आहे, पाऊस पडतोय, ठीक आहे, ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी at a time घडतायत, and it has created the flood situation, right, within no time, as I said. म्हणजे पाऊस म्हणण्यापर्यंत ठीक आहे, पण ढगफुटी, राईट, जसं मागच्या वर्षी आपल्याकडे काही भागामध्ये आपण महाराष्ट्रामध्ये पाहायला भेटलं किंवा आपण ऐकलं, आमच्याकडे तर ढगफुटी झाली. म्हणजे काय, अतिशय म्हणजे खूप जास्त प्रमाणात, राईट, पाऊस आपल्याला पाहायला भेटला, राईट. सो दॅट इज व्हॉट यू कॅन कन्सिडर.
आता लावलंय मी, माझा अनुभव पण आता
And this is what actually what our army has carried out, right? हे बघा, हे इथं आपल्याला असं दिसतंय, एरवी असं कोणी इमॅजिन करणार नाही, हे खरंच असं असू शकतं काय बरं, पण ही अशी परिस्थिती झाली होती त्यावेळेला. राईट, हे बघा इकडे, इकडे सगळं चिखल आहे. राईट, आणि इथे दे dared to go for such kind of landing. Right, here how they have rescued, how they have taken care the belongings and their daily stuff of the people. Right, they have been brought through the helicopters. Right? ज्या पद्धतीने जमेल त्या पद्धतीने रेस्क्यू केलं. And here those who have been rescued, right, जे काही अडकलेले आहेत त्यांच्यासाठी हवाई मार्गाने खाण्यापिण्याची सोय करणं, जे ज्यांना ज्यांना रेस्क्यू केलेले त्यांना कॅम्प मध्ये ठेवल्यानंतर त्यांच्या खाण्यापिण्याची सोय करणं. You can consider, you can see here all the collective efforts, and which is really important. Fine. So this is what here you can have. Right. Now, what was the what is the motto of Indian Army? It is service before self. See, there are some pictures and there are some facts. Right. Now I will say at this moment, you may forget some pictures, but don't forget these facts, which are really important. You म्हणाल सर पिक्चर तर तू अजिबात विसरू नाही शकत. Right. That is the reason why I said. Right. हे माहिती आहे की पिक्चर विसरू नाही शकणार, पण इतकं लक्ष ठेवा की पिक्चर नका विसरू, पण ह्या फॅक्ट्स पण विसरू नका. राईट, सो मोटो सर्व्हिस बिफोर सेल्फ माहितच पाहिजे. मोटो ऑफ इंडियन आर्मी, मोटो ऑफ इंडियन एअरफोर्स, मोटो ऑफ say Indian Navy, right? So that is what you can consider. I have some problem in reading your charts. If you have any doubts or questions, straight away you can ask, right? Instead of, at least in my session, you can directly ask instead of raising your hand. Sometimes I pay attention to your raised hand or not, right? Sometimes it gets skipped. असं व्हायला नको, त्यामुळे मनात प्रश्नाला डायरेक्ट विचारून टाका. असं नाही की कसं विचारणार, मला कुठे बोलता येतं इंग्लिश. काय हरकत, मराठीमध्ये विचारू शकता, बट ऍटलीस्ट ट्राय टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. ठीक आहे, इकडे तिकडे एखादा शब्द झाला तर मला नाही समजलं तर मी म्हणेल ठीक आहे, यू कॅन आस्क इट नाउ इन मराठी. ठीक आहे, एनिवे. अँड नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, देर इज ऑलवेज अ मार्च. राईट, मार्च महिन्याची गोष्ट नाही करत आहे. राईट, इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ ऑनर, or it's a kind of samman. So there are two kinds of march. One is a quick march, that is called keep stepping forward. Kadam kadam badhaye ja. Right, it is not a kind of song from any of the Bollywood movie, right? Though it is overlapping. जरी ते कोणाशी तरी साधर्म्य दाखवत असलं तरी असं नाहीये, पण ठीक आहे. मग हे काय कदम कदम कडायचा, हे कदम कदम बढायचा. Most of you must have seen this thing, right? हे जे काही मार्च चाललंय, this is called drill. आपण याला ड्रिल म्हणतो, right? Fine. So
Sir, like parade.
Sorry, parade. Yes, exactly. Another word is parade, you can consider, right? And second march is the slow. One is the quick, another is the slow. So slow is nothing but Samman Guard. That is called the guard of honor, and the guard of honor is always given to the dignitaries, right? And here comes a dignitary. So this is the best example, right? You can consider the guard of honor. Fine. So these are the two march you can consider, right? And this is what the last slide for today's session, right? So I will stop here. If anything which you would like to ask, you can. Fine. Now your homework is at this moment, to whom the Samman Guard is being given, the guard of honor, right? एका शब्दात उत्तर आहे dignitaries, but who can be the dignitary, that you have to find out. मग कोण असेल, फक्त राष्ट्रपती असू शकतात का, पंतप्रधान असू शकतात का, राईट? तुमच्या किंवा माझ्यासारखा एखादा असू शकतो का? ठीक आहे. सो युअर होमवर्क इज टू फाइंड आउट to whom the Samman Guard is being given. right? Or the guard of honor is being offered to whom? कोणाला दिला जातो, right? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Shall I stop the sharing? Okay, anything which you'd like to ask or comment on or share your view on it, let's say one of the slides, right, which I could not put forward. असं होऊ शकतं की एखादी गोष्ट माझ्याकडनं राहून जाऊ शकते, साधारणपणे सहजासहजी विद्यार्थ्यांच्या लक्षात येऊ शकते. असं असेल तर यू कॅन गो फॉर दॅट ॲज वेल. Done? Okay, we will stop here. Rushikesh sir, I'm going to leave this meeting. Okay, thank you everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.
Thank
Take
you,
care.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you,
Take
sir.
care, sir.
Bye.
Bye,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you. Beast boy आते हुए. त्याला मागं ठेवा.